You've just started your business and sales are probably low, which means profit is low. In this phase, you have two options. Either you grow the normal way or you scale fast. And to scale fast, you need to bootstrap. Bootstrapping means using existing resources to scale and grow the company instead of relying on external resources or money. This is beneficial to the business because bootstrapping forces you to think outside of the box and, in the end, realize there was no box to begin with. It's not the lack of resources that stops business owners from moving forward or innovating. It's the lack of resourcefulness that often gets them stuck. Bootstrapping is a situation in which entrepreneurs start a company with not much capital for their business, and bootstrapping is a way to ensure that that business has a positive cash flow. Many entrepreneurs understand the meaning of bootstrapping, that it's when a business borrows less money and the interest cost is reduced too. Bootstrapping is a steady way to begin compelling revenue and to support future investments by providing the business with a safety net for long-term cost management. This will also provide professionals with the peace of mind that they need to focus on building relations with customers and other professionals. Business people don't have to issue equity, and they can concentrate on obligation on individual sources. With bootstrapping, entrepreneurs can't really experiment out of their forte. The first tactic is done is better than perfect. Too many fumble at this phase. They believe that they need to do the best, have the best, and be the best in order to launch a ground-shaking, heaven-splitting, pioneering product. But that's not required. You don't need to be great to start, but you do need to start in order to ever be great. Best is an illusion. Perfection is an even bigger illusion. From my experience, the pursuit of being the best is a fear of rejection, and too many focus on what other people will say. To get started, just get started. Get cracking. Put a time frame and have the product launch within that time frame. In business, if your product is an innovative product, you want to launch it before your competitors leverage off the first mover advantage. This advantage captures the first slice of the market pie, and when done right, it can establish either your position in the market or theirs. Which one do you want? Being perfect will kill your business and your idea because the key insight is this: version 1 is better than version none.